I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear drive wheels on the GoGo Endurance AL Plus scooter. If you need parts for your scooter or you're interested in this scooter, I will have a link in the description below to our parts page and to the scooter page. We do ship these all across the country, so if that's something that you need or if you need parts across the country, we can get those to you. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to speak with you. But now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to replace the rear drive wheels. So I have the scooter tilted on its side right now. I feel that's easier to work and easier to show you what I'm doing. You don't have to do this. We recommend also propping it up just so you can get this wheel off the ground slightly, so when you slide it out, it'll come out. You don't have the full weight of the scooter sitting on it. If you do lean it on its side like this, make sure you're in a safe location. I lay down a board to protect the scooter. Make sure you're not on concrete or anything like that. Make sure you have carpet or a towel or something. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out this 3/4 inch nut right there. If you have an impact drill, that's the easiest way to do this because sometimes that's really tight. And if you can't get that off, you might have to flip the scooter back where the wheels are touching the ground, because if you put too much torque on these, it'll override the motor and it'll spin. So you might have to like put it on the ground and really crank it to break that seal. Mine, I've already broken this one. So you can see I can easily take it out, but if it's really tight, you might have to do that. There we go. So we'll go ahead and take this nut off. We'll keep track of that because we're gonna use that later. Then there's also a washer in here. I find the easiest way is just to lift the tire up and keep the washer with you. Just don't lose that washer. So it's right here. Another thing to note, there is an axle key in this axle. I don't know if you can see it in the camera very well, but it's right here. That can pop out. Make sure you don't lose that. So you need that or else the tire is just gonna spin in there. There is a little cutout in the wheel where that little axle key will go. But that is how you remove the tire. To install the new tire, we're going to do it the same way that we took this one off. Keep in mind, you don't have to remove the tire from the hub, because when you order a new tire, you're going to get everything. You're not going to get just a tire or just a hub, so there's no reason to try to remove this from there. So again, remember our axle key, make sure that's in place, and you're going to line that up with the square that's on here. And just kind of watch, make sure it doesn't fall off, line it up, and then you'll push it all the way down. Once that's on there, you'll go ahead and put your washer on. Then we'll go ahead and hand thread this 3/4 nut back on. From there, you'll grab your socket set or your impact drill if you have that. And we'll go ahead and tighten this down pretty tight. There we go. That's nice and tight. If your wheel is turning freely, make sure you're not in neutral. You don't want to be in neutral. It'll be a lot harder to tighten. You want these brakes engaged, but that is how you install the new tire on the GoGo Endurance AL Plus. This has been how to replace the rear drive wheels on the GoGo Endurance AL Plus scooter. Once again, I do have a link in the description below for parts to this scooter and for this scooter, so if that's something you're interested in, click those links and we can get it shipped out to you. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to speak with you. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you and have a wonderful day.